Hello everyone. So do you know ACCA published one more article that every ACCA student must visit before they are having their exam, right? Do you want to know about this? Watch this video till end. Okay. So basically, along with the technical article and examiner report, there are one more document which will help you regarding to improve your answer and how the ACC examiner will mark, right? So come to the screen and I will show you how what that document is. Hello everyone. So in this video we will discuss one more document that is published by ACCA, and it is also very important for each and every ACCA student. So I hope आप लोग को पता भी होगा, नहीं भी पता होगा. अगर नहीं पता होगा प्लीज लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट बॉक्स कि आज आपको ये डॉक्यूमेंट के बारे में पता चला. एंड ये डॉक्यूमेंट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अलॉन्ग विथ योर टेक्निकल आर्टिकल एंड एग्जामिनर रिपोर्ट. ये डॉक्यूमेंट पढ़ने के बाद इसमें क्या है, इस डॉक्यूमेंट में ना ACCA जो एग्जामिनर होते हैं उन्होंने दो स्टूडेंट का आंसर लिया है. वन इज द गुड वन, अदर वन इज द बैड वन, पुअर स्टूडेंट. एंड इन दोनों को आंसर को वो जो स्टूडेंट ने लिखा हुआ है ना आंसर, उसको चेकिंग कैसे किया है वो, एंड मार्क्स किधर को काटा है, मार्क्स कैसे एलोकेट कर रहा है, इवन द प्रोफेशनल मार्क, योर टेक्निकल मार्क्स, everything in the detail explained in this document. So now let's come and have a watch what that document is, right? So being a rank holder, I must say for everyone to visit this document for each and every subject, because for every subject ACCA published this document. So let's come and watch this, how to access those documents and what is that, right? So basically go to any web browser is like me, I'm opening the Google Chrome, and over the search bar just type read a mind of the examiner, and you can add a subject that you are appearing for. Suppose let's you can find every document, every subject document. You can see the read the mind of FM, and if I will move the FM, suppose I want to have a look for the ATX, there is a read the mind of examiner ATX document. So let's open any one documents so that you will have a rough idea, how to access this document, right? So let's okay, for ATX, let's start for the ATX. And on the first one, as we are giving ATX for the UK one, so UK version, just click on that, and you will have a, here they have published the three read the mind of the examiner, and along with the question 1, 2 and 3. So if you go for the 1, you will see for specimen 1 they have discussed for the question number 1. This is the question, and observation on the requirement they have explained, and let's say this is all part of the question, right? In the below you will find specimen exam marked answer. So this is for the candidate 1, right? And you can see how the candidate has drafted this answer and how the mark has been allocated. You can see it will be blinked over your screen. Yeah, it will blink over your screen. 2 marks for the other and 3 marks. How the marks is allocated by the examiner, what the word, what the keyword they are looking for. In this document you will find everything, and at the end they will also tell you that for this particular question this candidate has scored this much technical mark and this much professional mark, right? So you can see and if they have not allocated the marks, they have explained the reason along with that, right? So I must say this is useful for every ACCA student. Okay, and yeah, this is all about the marking, the way of marking the answer by the examiner. Okay, and below there is one more answer from the candidate 2, and they might be the poor performance, suppose, and they have just highlighted why the marks has not been allocated and what the student has tried to do there, right? So this is all for the question. Let me scroll down below. Yeah, this is for the calculation part. You can see they will have a step marking. They have also explained each and everything in this document. Yes, and notes on the candidate one. So for the candidate one, and for part A, they scored. I mean, he or she scored 4, 6. Everything they have explained regarding the professional mark, how much they scored. Everything is explained in this document, and how could this answer has been improved. Means what the student has been done to improve their answer, right? So they have explained this thing as well regarding the professional and the technical. And this is for the candidate 2, and you can see for this candidate, actually for each and every question in this article you will find the two answers from the candidate, and one who have scored the below average and one who have scored extremely good. And in the both answer, the ACCA examiner has highlighted how they have been credited for the mark and why they not. You must just need to visit this document and have a look, I must say, for each and every ACCA student. Okay, and in case of confusion, do let me know. I'm here to help you out. So thank you so much guys for helping, I mean watching this video, and follow me for this kind of updates. So thank you so much and have a good day.